Today we're talking about the thyroid, what it does, why it's so important, and what sort of foods are best to support your thyroid. Now, you may be aware that the thyroid is the gland just here, the butterfly gland in the front of your neck, and it's responsible for a lot of different bodily functions. Ladies, listen up. Metabolism, a healthy weight, your menstrual cycle, your hair growth. If you're losing a lot of hair, could be your thyroid. Your energy levels. So if you're feeling tired all the time, could be your thyroid. There is a direct link between the thyroid and the hormones that are produced by the thyroid and the control of other hormones like insulin, cortisol, the stress hormone, insulin, the fat storing hormone, and of course your sex hormones. Your thyroid can control your fertility and your mood. So serotonin, melatonin, dopamine, feeling good about yourself, all those neurotransmitters that help you feel really good are controlled by the thyroid. Your ability to stay focused and concentrate for long periods of time, I know that becomes really difficult in the perimenopause and the menopause because we have so much brain fog. That's the thyroid. Your body temperature. So if you're feeling really cold all the time, I know it's really cold here in the UK at the moment, and I'm an Aussie. So yes, it is cold. But if you are feeling really cold all the time, it might be your thyroid that needs support. Your heart rate. So if you struggle with heart palpitations, thyroid. And of course, your menstrual cycle. So there are a couple of key nutrients that your thyroid needs regularly to be balanced and supported. Iodine and selenium. Now, let me list the foods that are really high in iodine and selenium. You may be surprised. Full fat Greek yogurt is very high in iodine. So adding that to your breakfast with a range of berries, so your cranberries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, goji berries are all really high in antioxidants, but they're also really high in vitamin D, very important for the hormones, selenium and iodine. They're really packed with iodine and selenium. And you can eat them raw, you can put them in a smoothie bowl, you can put them in a juice, or in an acai smoothie bowl. Absolutely delicious. You can use them on top of the yogurt, so combining the two. Now, as we know, fish is a really good source of iodine. Just in one serving of cod, you've got 99 milligrams of iodine. Now, if you don't like fish, you can add in a really good high quality fish oil. Reach out to me. I've got the best supplements. And, but I really encourage all of my clients to have 3 to 4 portions of oily fish per week. Really important. Okay, what else? Chicken. Chicken has a lot of zinc in it. That's also really good to help support the thyroid. Beef, organic grass-fed beef is really high in zinc, and that really supports the take-up of iodine and selenium. Now, Brazil nuts, we know, right? Brazil nuts, you can have 2 Brazil nuts a day, and that is an absolute powerhouse for selenium. Really good to support the production of glutathione, which supports the liver and helps fight against those unwanted thyroid antibodies. So add a couple of Brazil nuts into your diet. Eggs are a really easy one to add into your diet. Not too many every week, but 20% of selenium and 16% of iodine in every egg. So if you can get locally farmed free-range chickens, maybe your neighbor's got some chickens, maybe you've got chickens, they're so versatile and easy to prepare. Hard-boiled eggs, fat and protein, a really good source of selenium and iodine, perfect for your thyroid. Okay, what else? Nuts. Of course, the best nuts, hazelnuts and macadamia nuts. I prefer organic if you can get them in their shell, even better, but they provide the highest sources of selenium. Now, if you are worried about your thyroid and you would like to have a full thyroid panel done, generally not available through your GP, they will only test the TSH, which is a thyroid stimulating hormone. I'm interested as a functional medicine practitioner. I'm particularly interested in T3, T4, okay, and the thyroid antibodies. If you've got thyroid antibodies, it could be that you are developing an autoimmune condition, and we definitely don't want that. We want to get on top of that. So I would suggest an autoimmune protocol for you. So if you want to get some private tests done with me, then please reach out. I will put the link into the comments. And if this has been helpful, please subscribe and click the little bell so you will know when I post again in the future. I generally post every week or as much as possible. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video. See you later.